This disturbing image taken of a 90-year-old woman completely vulnerable was posted on social media for all to see.
It is a tip that 10 News got and then broke the story back in October. Since then, Team 10 investigator Melissa Masiha uncovered it's cost two people more than just their jobs. Mel.
Yeah, both of them fired, and we also learned the state revoked one person's license, the other person's license suspended for 30 days. That picture was actually a video posted on the app Snapchat, and there was one woman in the photo, another person taking that picture. A photo on Snapchat of a 90-year-old woman naked, a violation of her privacy. We blurred her face and the smiling face of the caregiver, who apparently joked the woman doesn't like showers. The two employees accused of putting the images on Snapchat were initially suspended without pay. A criminal investigation into their actions on top of an investigation by the Certified Nurse Assistants Licensing Board. The attorney for Lifehouse said the facility has been cooperating. They did their own investigation and fired the employees. When 10 News first shared these photos in October, it created outrage.
Stop the abuse!
Sparking small protests and anger in the community.
That's unprofessional. That's just unhuman. That's not right.
At last check, Lifehouse had more than 20 complaints with the state health department, including patient neglect and other unknown injuries. Last year, Team 10 told you about the death of Margaret Casper, who also stayed at Lifehouse. She died days after she was hit by a large food cart. A jury sided with the family in a wrongful death lawsuit. The case was ultimately settled during the appeals process. At this point, no action has been taken against Lifehouse Vista Healthcare Center, but if any of that changes, of course, we'll let you know. Live in the newsroom, Melissa Masiha, Team 10.